Hello folks, today I will show you 5 beautiful ideas to handcraft children's room decor. A child's room is always associated with tenderness, comfort, and pastel colors. Every parent wants this room to be special for their child and, at the same time, a beautiful memory of their childhood. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and share it on social media. Decorations are an integral part of any room, and we have prepared some interesting procedures for you to stylishly decorate every child's room. 1. Wall decorations in the children's room. If the room's design is too simple, you can change it a bit. We recommend 1 or 2 walls that could be painted using stencils. What you will need: A4 paper, masking tape, paper tape, printer, acrylic paints, scissors, brushes, sponge. Find the desired pattern and print it on the printer. If necessary, turn off the details. Laminate the template with masking tape so that it does not get damaged when painting the walls. Attach the template to the wall and secure it with small pieces of paper tape. Before starting, mark where the images will be placed. Start painting on the wall, using a sponge is best. For better sharpness, use a brush for the outlines. There are many options for decorating the walls in a children's room, you can choose from the presented ones. 2. Stylish children's chair. Furniture is an important part of a child's room and doesn't have to be boring. We'll show you how to refresh your old chair and use it as a decorative element. What you will need: old children's chair, paper tape, scissors, acrylic paints, brushes, wool threads in several shades, tool for making pom-poms. Start by painting the chair. Use gray paint. If necessary, apply several layers and let them dry. Attach pieces of paper tape to the legs of the chair to create a border. Paint the bottom part with bright pink paint and the upper part with gray. Paint the back of the chair with light green color. Work on the details and add pink color to the top of the chair. When the paint is completely dry, remove the covering tape from the chair legs. Make and attach 16 pom-poms in this case. This beautiful chair with clear details will adorn any child's room. 3. Second life for an old trunk. Storage of toys is often a pressing issue. If you're facing this problem, you can create a stylish box from an old trunk. What you will need: old trunk, small legs 4 pieces, acrylic primer, lacquer, thin foam, fabric, scissors, brushes, glue, meter. Remove all excess from the trunk and wipe off the dust. Apply 2 layers of primer and then paint the outer part and ends. Line the inside of the trunk with thin foam and then with soft fabric, sticking it with fabric glue. Draw flowers on the surface of the trunk with acrylic paints. It's better to choose a neutral shade to match the room's interior. Cover the trunk with lacquer and let it dry. Drill holes in the trunk and mount the legs to secure them safely. You can also make a beautiful dollhouse from the trunk that every girl dreams of. 4. Wooden board with name. A stylish wall board with the child's name can be a beautiful decoration for the children's room. What you will need: wooden board, threads in various colors, scissors, small nails, hammer, pliers, paper, pencil, eraser. Write the child's name on an A4 paper. If necessary, you can simply print it. Place the paper on the wooden board. Nail the nails along the outline of the inscription at an equal distance. When all the nails are nailed, remove the paper. Tie the end of the thread to one nail and weave it between them until the inside of the letter or letters is filled. You can change the thread color as you go. The board can be placed on the table or hung on the wall. 5. Original decorative pillow. What you will need: beige and pink fleece blanket, threads in suitable shades, small pieces of colored felt, pillow stuffing, sewing machine, scissors, 2 round containers of different sizes. Marker. Needles. Pins. Fold the beige fabric in half. Draw a large circle on it, for example, using a laundry basket. In the center, outline a smaller circle using a bowl or saucer. Repeat the same with the pink fabric, but without folding it. Draw waves as shown in the photo. Cut out all the details. From felt of different shades, cut thin strips. Spread them on the surface of the pink blanket and secure them with pins. Using a sewing machine, sew all the strips to the pink fabric. Then sew it onto the beige circle. Now join the 2 brown circles and sew them together. Leave a small hole on the outer side for stuffing the cushion. Fill and sew until the end. The original decorative pillow is ready. You can also try making a pillow in a different shape. Beautiful, stylish decoration for a child's room doesn't have to be bulky. Sometimes a small object becomes the main one. Therefore, be sure to try to implement any of the presented procedures and share photos in the comments.